In order to make your first $100,000 online, you need an income stream that's making you $274 per day. And this is way more in reach than you may think, thanks to the power of the technology that we now have in today's times. Today in this video, I have compiled the 10 best online business ideas to start this year. And most of these online business models, you can start with $0. You can do them from anywhere in the world. And most of these you can start straight from your phone. So there's no excuses as to why you can't start. My name is Isabella. I grew 2 six-figure earning online businesses in less than a year, and I became a millionaire in my 20s. I have a passion for documenting my journey and helping you guys do the same, because I genuinely believe anybody can do exactly what I've done. If you guys don't already know, my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. Not only do I talk about the things that I'm about to put you guys onto, but I also have full in-depth free courses about them on my YouTube channel. So every single thing that you're about to see in this video will have a free course linked to it. With the correct funnels and marketing in place, which I also teach 100% free on my YouTube channel for you guys, you have the power to scale all of these online businesses to earning over 6 figures in less than a year, just like I did. Nobody got you like I got you. Online business idea #1 for this year is digital products. There's so many different types of digital products that you can sell. Ebooks, PDF guides, printables, templates, planners, recipes, courses, tutorials and guides, consulting, games, and so much more. This is a beginner-friendly online business model. It's very easy to get started. Little to no money needed to start. You make almost 100% profit because you don't have to actually ship physical products. And the possibilities are really endless with this. I love digital products because it really only takes you a couple hours to actually design one. And you can then sell that one digital product unlimited amounts of times over the next 5 to 10 years. With digital products, you're not just creating a digital product, but you're actually creating a digital asset for yourself, because that one digital product can generate passive income for you over a long span of time. So just by using the power of AI, it's never been easier to actually create these digital products and start making money from it. This has been my favorite AI platform to use lately, not only for generating digital products, but for all of my online business needs. I use Trend Assist AI to brainstorm ideas, get posts written for me, get digital products made for me, and so much more. Just by using platforms like Trend Assist AI and free Canva templates, you're able to put a digital product together in less than 10 minutes. The possibilities are endless for the ways that I use Trend Assist AI, and I'll put the link down in my description box below if you want to start using it too. It literally saves me hundreds of dollars, and it's literally like my AI coworker. We'll link the free course to digital products right here on the screen for you guys and in the description box down below. Online business idea #2 is niche stores. People that are brand new to online business are starting what's known as niche stores. These are online stores where they go and find products online at discounted prices and then resell those products at a higher price to make a profit. There are tools out there that can help you find these discounted products that you can sell, and they also ship the products directly to the buyer for you, so you don't have to actually worry about buying or managing any physical inventory yourself. When you start any business, the goal should always be to start with as little money as possible, to have time freedom with the business that you're starting, and location freedom. So this definitely checks off all those boxes. Even me, when I first started making money online at 16 years old, this was the online business that I first got started with. And this really opened the doors for me as far as when I restarted my entrepreneurship journey in 2020. I already had the knowledge just because I ran this store when I was younger. So this is why I always vouch for this online business model for beginners, because it literally helped me so much as a beginner and not wanting to actually handle inventory. You get these products for cheap. You set up a simple e-commerce store and you sell these products for a marked up price. And there are free tools out here right now that can fully build your own online store for you using AI, again, for free. Tools like this never existed before. You used to have to create this completely from scratch. In case you wanted to get started on this today, I did put a link in my description box for you guys for that free AI store builder. Within minutes, this free tool automatically creates a fully functioning custom e-commerce store for you using AI. People were really out here charging thousands of dollars for this, so I got you. All you have to do is pick your niche, pick some banners that you like here, go through the rest of these simple steps, and you will get your online store ready to go. So first step, done. And now you can even see that there's already winning products added to the store for you. And if you want to research for more products that have fast shipment times from these suppliers, beyond the winning products that are already added in the store for you, that's what this section is for right here, AutoDS. There's some other AI store builders out there, but not ones that actually include product sourcing. So this one includes product sourcing. And what AutoDS does, you can see right here, is it connects you to so many different suppliers, actually thousands of them, that you can start selling products directly from. And this platform fully automates your online store, and you can see all of the products here are imported through fast shipment trusted suppliers. You can use AutoDS to find trending products that are updated daily that you can also add into your online store, see trending Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads, and even do custom branded products, all automated through this all-in-one platform. People have started doing niche stores after watching my YouTube channel and trying this themselves, and they have been seeing crazy results. So if they can do it, why can't you? I also made an entire full free course just on this topic on my YouTube channel. So make sure you watch that to fully master this online business model. I teach you not only how to start, but to actually grow it without spending any money on ads. So I will link that full 1 hour free course here on the screen and in the description box down below. Business idea number 3 is YouTube automation. You might not even realize how many faceless YouTube channels are really out here making thousands of dollars per month. There are YouTube channels getting millions of views with thousands of followers just by creating simple videos about different topics. Motivational videos, educational videos, travel, technology, just to name a few. Most of these videos are just random stock footage clips put together with a voiceover. Take a look at this faceless channel top 5, which according to Social Blade is making $1,000 or more per day and nearly $500,000 per year. Here's another one, Toropia. You can see here that they've racked up millions of views across their videos. If we go to Social Blade, we type in the channel name and take a look at the earnings, you can see here that they are making up to as much as $400 per day. There are so many faceless YouTube channels doing the same thing. And if they can do it, again, why can't you? You can start this online business model with $0. It creates amazing passive income for you. YouTube is only gonna grow from here. And this is very easy to get started. All of these channels started from 0 followers. So I don't wanna hear, oh, well, they have so many subscribers. Guess what? Everybody starts from scratch. So if they did, you can too.
I talked about earlier in the video, it's never been easier to start a YouTube channel thanks to the power of AI. This one, Trend Assist AI, helps me to generate trending video ideas. We brainstorm together. They write my titles, they write my descriptions, and they even help me generate scripts. Not to mention that they literally specialize in YouTube automation. This tool literally saves me time and money. I'll put the link for this down in my description box below so you guys can start using it too.
You guys already know I created an entire free course about this, so I will link that on the screen and down in my description box down below, showing you not only how to start, but how to actually grow it from somebody that owns YouTube channels with over 2 million subscribers. Number 4 online business model is going to be content creator / niche accounts. You can start doing this right now with $0. You pick a niche, you can monetize your own life if you want to share something about your own life. If you have a skill that you've learned that you want to teach others, get it out of your head that content creator equals influencer, because that is not true. We are no longer in 2016. We are in 2025, and this does not equal each other anymore because they're, again, just like how YouTube automation is booming, there are so many faceless content creators that are making so much money. You will be shocked by just starting an Instagram account based on a certain niche and then starting a YouTube channel on that same niche and promoting the YouTube channel through the Instagram and then having affiliate marketing that you're doing through that Instagram page. There's just so many monetization streams that you can do from one single Instagram page. It doesn't even have to be Instagram. If you like TikTok better, use TikTok. There's so many different social media platforms out there. Pick one, start posting on that one, eventually start to shift over and like repurpose your content other places. So like if you choose, hey, I really like TikTok or Instagram, start posting there, post that same exact piece of content everywhere else. And you can literally grow your own social media empire just from doing that and having that strategy, which again, I do have videos about on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to learn how to grow on social media, I have videos about that on my YouTube channel. And there's just so much money to be made. This industry is only going to grow. And by you mastering the skill of content creation, by you just spending the time to learn it, so many doors will open for you. You can become a social media manager. You can do content for other people. You can eventually have brand deals as you start to grow. And don't think, again, this is the whole thing that comes back to people saying, oh, well, I don't have followers. Well, guess what? You can start from 0 followers, just like I did, just like everybody else did, and you can grow organically. It's never been easier to grow a social media account than it is today because they want people to be on social media. They actually push out new accounts. There's always news of that like they'll actually push new accounts. So just keep that in mind. And if this is something that you've been leaning towards this year, this is your sign to get into it for sure. Because you can open so many other businesses after establishing those main social media accounts. It's like the driver to the other monetization routes that you have. Which leads me to my next online business model, number 5, which is going to be UGC. UGC stands for User Generated Content. So as this world of organic marketing is just growing more and more every single year, brands are looking for average people to create content for them. This is where UGC comes in. They're not looking for people with followers. They're actually looking for just someone that can create content for them. Now, I always say if you are interested in this business model, I feel like the best way to actually master UGC is by having an account where you post reviews of things that you genuinely like or already have. So you don't have to go out and buy anything. You can literally start where you're at right now. And as you just start to post as a content creator, brands will reach out to you, and you can have even like in your bio, you could put like UGC creator. Brands will reach out to you, and then you have leverage. You could charge them $300 just for the video. You don't even have to post it, but at least they find you that way. And then eventually you can turn that account into a review account or a beauty account or whatever you're kind of leaning towards in this way. And of course, you do not have to show your face for this either. It's completely up to you, but of course it is an advantage if you do show your face. But you don't have to be some perfect like imagery person. Like people, they're looking for average people to promote their products as long as you look presentable. This is a great online side hustle that anybody can start. And of course, I have a free course about this on my YouTube channel as well. I'll link it on the screen and the description box down below. Our next online business model is going to be kind of related to what we talked about, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money online just by you recommending a product or getting a sale on another person's offer. This is a business model that you can take advantage of without starting an actual business. Now, I would actually recommend, like, if you want to do affiliate marketing, like, why not have your own business? But if you're not quite there yet and you want rather just kind of promote different products, this kind of all flows back into the UGC and content creator section, where if you start a social media page, a niche account, you only promote products in that specific niche, or you just kind of show things in your life that you like. For me, I started my dogs account. We have over 15 million followers that we gained in, it's been like 4 or 5 years since I started that. I picked one thing that I loved. I started out completely not even showing my face, and we were able to turn that into what I like to call a social media empire. So we do affiliate marketing, UGC, we make money from our views, just so many different online business models under that umbrella. So just pick one niche and go all in. Our next online business model, number 7, is going to be print on demand. If you are someone that you've always wanted to start your own clothing brand or a clothing line, or maybe you want to sell products online, but you don't want to hold any inventory, this is a great online business model because you can start with $0. You don't have to have, like I said, any inventory. The print on demand company ships it for you. And this is great specifically for artists, or if you are somebody that you maybe like to buy like shirts with quotes on it. I always recommend, again, starting a print on demand store, sticking with one niche and then going all in, just so you're not like promoting like tons of different products. And then the algorithm will know like really who to show your content to as you're organically marketing it. Online business idea number 8 is going to be inventory e-commerce. Now, if you have a passion for something or you like to really be hands-on with what you are doing, then you should start an inventory-based e-commerce store. Now, I don't recommend this for everybody because you have to be ready to go all in for this. You do have to order inventory, you do have to have a long-term vision for it, and you do have to be somewhat passionate about it, because this involves you actually ordering inventory, like I said. So there is more of a risk factor here rather than like the niche stores and the other ones that I mentioned. But again, because you are so hands-on with it, you're able to do a lot more content with what you're ordering, and then that will result in more sales organically as you start to post videos and grow your business. People love to support small businesses. So if you have an idea for a small business, I want you to jump on that right now, because not everybody actually wants to do it because they don't have that like feeling or drive to do it. They just like want to make money somehow online. So if you are one of the people where you're like, I really want to start like a business crocheting, you're getting that urge, please follow that urge. Please start that small business, because I believe when you really have a feeling of like wanting to start something and you genuinely love doing it, it will go so far. And this, when I restarted my online business journey in 2020, this online business model is what I started. I started an inventory-based e-commerce store. And I believe that led to a lot of success because I was actually able to go all in per se. And when I say ordering inventory, I literally only spent $100 on inventory when I restarted in 2020. So it's not like you have to spend thousands, but you do have to be a little bit more committed than you just, starting a niche store, for example. Again, if you're interested in an inventory-based e-commerce store, I have an entire free course about that on my YouTube channel. I include everything that I did to start mine, how I started mine, what you will need, and basically just like a full guide on what you will need to know to get started. So again, I'll link that on the screen and in the description box down below. Number 9 online business idea for this year is going to be TikTok Shop. If you guys don't already know, TikTok is literally competing with Amazon right now. TikTok is no longer about dancing, you guys. TikTok is about slinging products and getting sales. Like, it's actually insane how much TikTok has changed over the past 2 years. I feel like 2 years ago, it was so much more about like content creation, where now Instagram is more like that. And TikTok is just for products. So if you are starting a niche store, you can also put those products in a TikTok Shop store. One of the girls in my mentorship program, I am so proud of her. She has been getting thousands of sales on her TikTok Shop as a beginner, complete beginner. So I know that like if I literally watched her process, of course she did have my help because she did join in, and she did have my help to actually help her get there and like perfect her content and everything for her small business. But I'm so proud of her, and it just goes to show you that it's literally possible that you can be a beginner, never had made videos before, started on TikTok Shop, and TikTok Shop is boosting content that's made if you're like new to TikTok Shop, or if you're a small business, or if your posts on TikTok include TikTok Shop content, they are boosting that way more than like you just posting on TikTok nowadays, which is crazy. It's took a weird turn. And of course, I made a free course about this on my YouTube channel. But if you are somebody where you're like, well, I don't really want to go all in and start an actual online store, that's where TikTok affiliate comes in. So number 10, my last online business model that I have for you guys today is TikTok Shop affiliate. So you can do the same thing. You can use this like boosting power that TikTok is giving you and show products through TikTok affiliate. There has been so many people that have made so much money from TikTok affiliate this past year alone. So I had to include this. A lot of times you may even already have products at home that maybe you bought from Amazon that you can link that actual TikTok Shop product to and make videos on. This kind of also is similar to the affiliate marketing we talked about, content creation page we talked about. I know I've seen some people making like full-time income from this, but of course, because it's not your own business, I would say this is more of a side hustle idea, but I still wanted to include it because people are making thousands of dollars from this. But this is another great online business type / side hustle that you can start this year. And of course, you know what I'm gonna say? I made a free course about this for you guys on my YouTube channel. I'll link it down in my description box. So have you decided what online business model you wanna start yet? I really hope you decided, because I really, really want you guys to feel like it's not an overwhelming thing to pick. I know there's like so many different things you can do nowadays. I remember like it was very overwhelming for me as a beginner as well. But my best advice to you is just pick one and go all in. And guess what? Because you can start most of these from $0 to $100 is like usually like the average to start something. You guys can literally always be just learning from it. So like if you start something and it doesn't work out, you literally learned from doing that. So you can then just go to the next thing, try it out, and you'll get better at it every single time. That's literally what I did. I've had more failed projects than I've had successful projects because I just kept wedging at it and just trying different things until I found what worked for me. And it resulted in me now becoming a millionaire in my 20s and making an amount of money that I just never thought would be possible for me in my life. So I just want you guys to just remember that and keep that in mind. Also, you guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and 100% free education just like this. Other than having my 100% free courses playlist, I also have different playlists like my Start with $0 playlist. I have another playlist just for mindset. So I want you guys to see my YouTube channel as the best educational source for you guys. I want to give you guys a place where you can come every time you feel motivated and you want to come and learn. You're not going to learn everything overnight, but just by having the videos at your fingertips whenever you want, you're able to come and learn and just have that educational experience. That's always my goal with my YouTube channel. So again, I'm so happy I've been able to see so many of you guys succeed, and we're here to continue to change lives. So I'm excited. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at Baddie&Biz for more business inspiration and updates. Wishing you guys all the best, and I will see you guys in my next free course with whatever one you picked. Bye, guys.